Welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to boot your LG smartphone into EDL mode. So on your PC, just open your task manager. Sorry, not task manager, your device manager, sorry. So I'll open up my device manager, then I'll leave it open like this. I'll connect my LG smartphone. So once I connect my LG smartphone, I'll hold down the volume down button, the power button, and then the screen starts showing a countdown from 4, 3, 2, 1 and goes black. Immediately it turns black, I'll start multi-tapping my volume up button and the screen will stay black and it should be connected in EDL mode or download mode. Okay, now currently it's on LG mobile USB port. So volume down button, plus power button, then starts counting down 4, 3, 2, 1 while holding all three. Multi-tap. Okay, I didn't do it correctly. If you do it correctly, this phone won't reboot. It has gone back to LG Android Net serial ports, which is not what we need. So this, hold down the 2, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the screen stays black. It has entered your Qualcomm HS USB deloader. Remember, before you can be able to do this, you must have your Qualcomm driver installed. Check the link in the description, the video in the description on how to install a Qualcomm driver on your PC, and once you are done, you are good to go. Your phone stays black, nothing displays on the screen, which means it has successfully booted into Qualcomm USB loader. Now to remove it from the Qualcomm EDL mode, okay, before I do that, let me show you how some of the reasons why you need to boot into EDL. Wow, this is strange. I can't see my, okay, it's back. So this software is a software you might need to you definitely need it to do FRP bypass on some LG phones like the G7 I'm holding, the V60, the V50s, V50, V40, V35, and several of them. My internet is a little more functioning. Let me change to something else. Okay, connected, secured. I'll open it again. Checking for updates. I don't know why my internet is messed up at this point. Okay, connected and secured. So I'll open up. You definitely need this software to do FRP bypass on a good number of LG phones. So while still connected to EDL mode, open up this software SAMFW2. With this tool, as you can see from here, the device is connected to Qualcomm download mode, which is the EDL mode. From here you can do FRP bypass on this phone or whatever, depending on what you want. Now, to remove this phone from EDL mode, here you are still having your Qualcomm, which means the screen continues black like this. So to remove this, just hold down your volume down button and your power button, and after some seconds it should restart. This is how to take off your phone from EDL mode and get it back to normal mode. So I've restarted the phone. It is now back to LG Android USB modem. Same thing here, Android net, USB, blah 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 blah. So guys, this is how to do EDL, boot into EDL mode, and this is how to boot out of it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in another exciting video. Goodbye.